4 times. And then we step forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. Pivot. Again, right. Step right forward. Forward again. Come together. You're going to go left. Left. Step. Left. Step. So from the top, ribs, hips, drop, roll. Ribs, hips, drop, roll. Repeat that. Again, squat, double squat, touch, touch. Squat, double squat, touch, touch. And then we go into our pivots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8, left.